Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy Saturday. Hope you guys are having a good one. Well, I wanted to do a silly video today about a toy I put on the Project Mustang, and I thought you guys might get a kick out of this. So don't take this too seriously, and I know haters are always going to hate, so screw you guys. But I thought this might be kind of fun, so check this out. I put a cool little Nightrider kit on the Mustang, which is awesome, and it's got a ton of features. Some of them very illegal, like this one. So obviously this won't be turned on or put in this mode ever, if it's ever on the road, but pretty sweet. It's actually a pretty high quality kit. I got this thing off of eBay. It was very cheap, which is nice. I think it was maybe 15 bucks shipped. It's also got a ton of other modes too, so it's a Nightrider kit, which is awesome, so we'll get to that in a second. But it's got a whole series of different lighting scenarios you can put it on, and you can change the speed of each lighting scenario. So we'll go back to on, and I'm just going to kind of cycle through these here so you can see. That's kind of like the Nightrider. It's got a bunch of different Nightrider modes, which is cool. And then for each mode, you can actually change the color of the mode, which is awesome. So you can go from white to red, multicolor, green, blue, purple. It's just a big LED bar, but it's pretty high quality, and it's waterproof, which is nice, and it's got a whole little computer on it too, which is also cool. So that's what's receiving the signal. So you can do all sorts of different colors and whatnot. You can slow it down, speed it up. It's all controlled through this remote right here. It'll also do solid colors, which is cool, so you can like light up the grill. You know, it's just a quirky thing, you know. It's not like you're gonna drive down the road with this on or anything. So this is the Nightrider mode, which is cool. So like that's kind of like the kit mode from the old school Nightrider car. So you could go to red. Pretty cool. And you could speed it up. And the remote, you can't see it because I have the camera locked on focus so it doesn't keep going in and out of focus. It's got 4 buttons on it, so you just you touch the button that you want. One's for color, one's for speed, one's for on, off, and then one's for mode. This is pretty cool too. It's got like a breathing effect, so you can make the car look like it's breathing. And the blue, this camera kind of sucks, but the blue on the breathing effect matches the color of the Mustang pretty cool. I like that. So yeah, just a quirky little thing you can put on your car. I mean, it's just on there with a couple of rubber clamps. Comes right off. Simple 12-volt hookup. It's got a an area too where you can add the brake light. It's got a brake light input. You can also add the left and right turn signal input as well, which is cool. So you can actually hook this up to your turn signals, which is pretty cool. Purple, yeah, back to blue. So yeah, just wanted to show this off, guys. It's kind of a stupid video, but you know, I'm sure I'll probably get jerks with thumbs downs because they, you know, they're not fun. But it'd be pretty cool at a car show if it just kind of was doing its thing. So yeah, anyway, I'll go through some more stuff here and you can get an idea. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. I actually have some serious videos coming out here soon on the channel. Be fixing some stuff on the Mustang and on the Ranger. I can't believe it has a police mode though. That's funny. Like anybody would ever use that. Yeah, you can go through all the different speeds on that too. This would probably be pretty useful for police. You could get a couple of these and mount them all over their car for cheap. So, anyways, guys, I'm going to cut it off here. I appreciate you guys watching. Remember to rate, comment, subscribe, and haters, screw you. I know you're going to, I'm sure you're going to hate on it, but whatever. It's just a toy. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Later.